So today we're going to learn about specialised cells. These are cells which have special adaptations, such as a specific shape or maybe extra mitochondria or something along those lines that helps them to do a specific job. So there are animal specialised cells, which we will look at first, and there are plant specialised cells. The first animal specialised cell we're going to look at is a nerve cell. Nerve cell is shaped a bit like a star on a stick. And what we're going to do is we're going to label the nucleus, the cell membrane and the cytoplasm. So there we have the nucleus, we have the cytoplasm, and we have a cell membrane. And that's our nerve cell. The next one to know about is a sperm cell. And the sperm cell kind of looks a little bit like a tadpole, so it has a head and a neck and a tail. And again, we need to label nucleus, cytoplasm, and the cell membrane. So that's the sperm cell, right? And the last animal cell we're going to look at is a muscle cell. And muscle cells sometimes are shaped like that, sometimes they are more rounded like that, but they usually show that they have stripes like that and a nucleus. So let's label it again. We have the nucleus, we have cytoplasm, and we have, where should we do it? Over here, cell membrane around the outside. Now, moving on to the plant, there are two that we're going to look at, two specialised cells. First one looks like when you draw a general plant cell. This is called a leaf palisade cell, and it, like I said, looks just kind of like a regular general plant cell. And we're going to label the nucleus again. We're going to label the cytoplasm. I'm going to label the, whoops, get that. I'm going to label the cell membrane. And the other thing that you often get asked to label in leaf palisade cells is the chloroplasts. Then the final one we're going to learn about is a root hair cell, which you've got to remember is a root cell. It's nothing to do with hair in humans or animals. It's a root hair cell. It's called a root hair cell because the projection of it looks a little bit like a hair under the microscope. So it looks kind of funny shape. This is the hair bit of it, and that's why it's called a root hair cell. And then again, I'm going to label nucleus, cytoplasm, and the cell membrane. The thing to notice with the two plant cells is that the cell membrane is the inner line on our diagram, the inner one. The outside is the cell wall. The other thing to notice about the root hair cell is that there are no chloroplasts.